I needed a tooth replaced. I had a baby tooth still in my head, and I suffered with it for many years, and I had a lot of months of discomfort. And finally, I caved in under the pressure of my wife to get it taken care of. So I came here about 2 years ago to have my baby tooth replaced, and it's been one of the best decisions I've made. Had I known, I'd have gotten taken care of it right away, because I suffered, for a long while. I had my baby tooth extracted in my lower jaw. They let it heal up a little bit because it was infected from being in my mouth for so long. So after that healed, they put a post in my jaw, and then they fitted a tooth to be placed on top of the post that's down into my jaw. But honestly, right now I can't even tell I've had an implant. It just feels normal. Just feels like a regular tooth. Oh, hey, I'm pain free in my mouth. I can chew food on both sides of my mouth, and it's been really a good accomplishment to get this taken care of here. So quality of life, way improved.